Hello everyone, and welcome to Fort Workshop. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to make barbed wire for a 1:35 scale diorama. We'll start with copper wire about 0.2 millimeters thick. Cut a piece about 50 centimeters long and fold it in half. Then twist it together so the barbs will stay tight and won't slide along the wire. To twist the wire, we'll use a simple tool made from a pencil and a paper clip. Next, cut another piece of wire about 40 centimeters long and attach it to the end where the loop is. Now let's start making the actual barbs. Wrap the wire 3 times. And bend it at about 5 millimeters to get a little loop. Hold it with your fingers and make another 3 turns. After that, bend the wire on the opposite side to make the same kind of loop. And wrap the wire around 3 times in the same way. Keep repeating this process as many times as you need. In the end, you'll have a piece that looks like this. The next step is to snip off the loops with cutters, leaving short spikes about 1 millimeter long. And here's our barbed wire. If you want to twist it into coils, you can use a round chopstick. This is how it looks next to a 1:35 scale figure. For the final step, we'll paint it with acrylic steel color paint. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.